Hey, Sendibble Chowdhury here. How are you doing? You good? Fantastic. Right, in the next 2 minutes, I am going to give you a quick overview on all the different types of software products that we have in our range so that you can go ahead and grab every single one of them. Okay, so to start off with, we have Scribble. Now, Scribble is the world's #1 ebook creator that creates you fantastic, professional, good-looking ebooks in a matter of minutes. You simply go in, select a theme, add in your content, and you're done. We have Scribble Professional. Now, Scribble Professional is an upgraded version of Scribble that gives you a lot more themes, a lot more power, and a lot more features. Definitely recommended. We have Scribble Prime, which gives you 15 incredible niche templates that you can plug straight into Scribble. You get 15 of those every single month for a one-time price for the whole year. We have Scribble Fantasia 3D. Now, Scribble Fantasia 3D has 2 apps in it, so it's 2 in 1. The first part allows you to turn your PDFs into interactive flipbooks. That's right, you can turn your PDFs into interactive flipbooks, which you can then share online with anybody that you want. It just makes the whole experience of consuming content a lot more enjoyable, a lot more fun, a lot more interactive. The second part of that will allow you to create ebook covers to represent your PDF. Because now that you've got a PDF, the next part of this is you're going to want to have an ebook cover that shows it off. Okay, so that's the next part of that, and that's Scribble Fantasia 3D. We have Auto Job Finder. Now, Auto Job Finder is our gig and client getting technology. What it does is allows you to find gigs online. So you can actually use it to find gigs and clients online and then sell your services to them. You can find people online who are looking to get an ebook done and then use Scribble to fulfill that, right? So that can make you thousands of dollars every single month. And that's Auto Job Finder. We have Sqrindle. Sqrindle is our ebook marketplace that allows you to sell all of your ebooks, whether you've created them through Scribble or just PDFs that you have lying around. You can upload them to the Sqrindle marketplace and sell them in a matter of minutes. There's no red tape when it comes to getting your ebooks online and selling it online, just like on Kindle, where there's lots of regulations, there's lots of red tapes and lots of competition. With Sqrindle, upload your ebook, set your price, and you're ready to go in literally 5 minutes. Plus, you get a lot more features and reporting available. And that's something that will sell your ebooks around the clock, 7 days a week, all year round. We have Sendibble. Now, Sendibble is a 2-in-1 piece of software. It allows you to create ebook funnels to capture names and email addresses to which you can then mail using the other part of the software. It's got an inbuilt autoresponder. So it's an ebook funnel builder and an autoresponder 2-in-1. We have the Sqrindle Personal Store Edition. Now, this is a bolt-on to Sqrindle, and what this one does, it allows you to pick from one of 5 website themes that we have and create an ebook store on your very own domain name. Now, imagine having an ebook store on your very own website. There's no competition that way, and you can sell as many ebooks as you want. Plus, we take no transaction fees. So that's a great investment. It really will give you a massive ROI. We also have additional add-on template packs, which you can purchase at any time that you want throughout the year. And we come out with various templates, such as coloring pack templates, 3D games, puzzles, as well as journals and planners that you can bolt on and add and beef up your Scribble template library with. So that's it. That's the whole overview on the entire range of products that we have at this time. I highly recommend that you check every single one of these out and grab them while they are still available. Sendibble Chowdhury, signing out.